Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am with today's tutorial. Today I'll be making the popcorn cart. So I am using a Staedtler pencil, Staedtler 6B pencil for the basic drawing. I have drawn two sleeping lines, one standing line here, another standing line. I am making one more sleeping line at the bottom. After this I am making one more sleeping line there, and now I'll be making a circle for the wheel of the cart. So I'm adding a smaller circle in the center and a bigger circle around it. An easiest way to draw a circle is to draw a C first and then make a C in the opposite direction, joining the first one. Now I'm making a smaller circle in the center. On the other side again I'm making another wheel, so making a standing line, a circle below that, one more circle inside it. Now I am making the sleeping line for the shed of the cart, for the awning of the cart. So one more sleeping line at the top, slanting line, another slanting line. Now below it I am going to draw one more sleeping line. So this is basically a basic structure for the whole cart. Now making a standing line here, making one more standing line, extending the slanting lines, making one more sleeping lines. Once I start with the detailing, I'll tell you why I have drawn one more sleeping line here. So this is the basic structure that I have drawn with the pencil. Adding few more details here, drawing a sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, one more sleeping line, then two more sleeping lines. Just be careful with the gaps between the sleeping line. Now I am using the Posca pen to give the outline. So I am making a standing line there and then slanting lines in one direction. Now I am making more slanting lines on the other side in the other direction. I am just erasing this line which is extra. So this is the sleeping line that I have drawn before, for which I said I'll tell why I have drawn it. So basically I have drawn it to make the curves and to have the curves of the equal height. So for that I have drawn the sleeping line there. Now outlining the above line. So here we are done with the awning of the popcorn cart. Just making a standing line there. Now we are just outlining the pencil lines that we have drawn before. Just look at the lines carefully. I am just outlining the pencil lines. I am extending this part a bit. So making a curve here, sleeping line, another curve. Now again a curve, sleeping line, one more curve on the side, and again joining it with a sleeping line. Making a standing line here, one more standing line, and now just outlining the pencil lines that I have drawn before. Now I am making one popcorn container here. So they are just the standing and the slanting line and the curves at the top. Now I am adding few popcorns in it. So I have just made the curves of the popcorn, and here I am adding few more popcorns. So they are just the curved lines, adding few more curves in the space. So just to add more volume to the popcorns. Now I am just outlining the sleeping line here. Making a standing line, sleeping line again, and then a standing line. Now I am making the handle of the cart. So it's a standing line, sleeping, again just doubling that part, standing, sleeping, sleeping, and a standing there for the handle. Now I'm just outlining the wheel. So it is done on the pencil lines that I have drawn before, outlining the inner circle, just doubling that circle, doubling the outer circle. I have already told you the easiest way to draw a circle, so just follow that. Now I will be giving the detail inside the wheel. So 2 standing lines down, 2 standing lines up, and then 2 more sleeping lines on both the sides. Now the space that I have in between these lines, I'll be joining it with the slanting lines. So this way you can draw the wheel of any of the vehicle. Now just outlining the standing line that I have drawn before. Another standing line here, joining it with the sleeping line. Now I'll be just doubling this line. I'm making the standing line here and outlining the wheel that I have drawn with the pencil, and making a curve to show it connected to the cart. Now I am making the standing lines here to give the pattern on the cart. If you want to add any more details from your side, you can do it. So once we are done with making the standing lines, we are almost done with the basic structure of the cart. If you want to add some extra detail, if you want to add more popcorn drawings over there, you can do that. And once we are done with this, I am just adding a base at the bottom, just a wiggly line. So you can make it as grasses, you can make it as road, that is up to you. Now I am just writing the word popcorn there. And as I was left with some space, so I have added some popcorn drawing there. So we are done with the drawing. After we are done with the drawing, I am just erasing the pencil lines. I am using a domes eraser. The links for all the products that I am using in this video are available in the video description. You can just check them there. Personally, I am having a very good experience using these products. So you can also use them, and please share your experience in the comment section. And I am using the Faber-Castell pencil colors. So I am doing a red color. Again, I am just doing it in one direction and not leaving any spaces. The other part will remain white and then doing red again. So basically I am leaving one part and doing the other one red. As we all know, the same color is there in the popcorn jar also. The cart also I am doing the same way. One part I am doing red, the other I will be leaving white, and then again red, white, red, white. These pencil colors are very smooth to work with, and they are actually very good for shading also. I hope you are enjoying the drawing. Do let me know in the comment section, share your views for this drawing. And also you can let me know in the comment section if you want me to draw anything specific, anything that you're not able to draw. So you can just mention it in the comment section. I'll be making a tutorial for the same with the step-by-step instructions so that it becomes very easy for you to draw. I'm putting the dark yellow color here. You can also do any colors of your choice. this coloring pattern is just for the reference. If you want to put some other colors, you can do it as per your wish. Now I'll be giving again the red color there. So just leaving one section white, the other section red. Now I'm adding a little yellow color in the popcorn to give the shade, and just leaving some parts as white. Giving the blue color there for the window. And then I'm adding a gray color in the standing lines. So basically this is a black color, but once I do it in lighter pressure, I'll get a little lighter tone. And if I do it darkly, I'll be getting the darker tone. So I'm adding a dark blue below that. Doing the same color in the handle, in the frame of the cart. Just doing it in middle pressure, medium pressure. Now I'm giving a black color in the wheel. So here I'm just doing the coloring in a little darker pressure so that I get the darker tone of the pencil. So if you hold your pencil softly, you will get the lighter tone. If you put pressure on the pencil, you will get the darker tones of the same color. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for daily videos. And please turn on the bell icon to get the regular daily notifications about the new video every day. And do like the videos and let me know your views in the comment section, and also share it with your friends. So I'm doing a light brown color in the base. We are almost done with the drawing. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.